Hi, I'm Dwight Morris, your certified probate and estate expert. If you're handling an estate in Virginia, you won't want to miss this video. Today, I'm diving into how to avoid common mistakes during probate in Virginia. Probate's already a complex process, and missteps can result in costly delays or even legal issues. Let's break it down so you can navigate this process smoothly and with confidence. But before we dive into the mistakes, let's go over the definition of probate again. In Virginia, probate is simply the legal process through which a deceased person's estate is administered. This means verifying the deceased's will, paying their debts, and distributing their assets according to their wishes, or if there's no will, according to state law. If you're named as an executor or are a family member managing the estate, understanding Virginia's specific probate requirements is essential to avoiding potential pitfalls. With that definition in mind, let's talk about some of the most common mistakes during probate and how to avoid them. Mistake number one, failing to identify and value assets properly. One of the first steps in probate is identifying all assets, real estate, financial accounts, and personal property. A common mistake is overlooking assets or improperly valuing them, which can create confusion later. The solution is to work with professionals like appraisers to ensure assets, especially real estate, are accurately valued. This is critical for calculating taxes, insurance, and distributing the estate fairly. Mistake number two, ignoring Virginia's probate laws. Probate laws vary by state, and Virginia has specific rules and timelines for filing documents. Missing deadlines can delay the process or result in penalties. For example, once named, the personal representative, read executor or administrator, has 4 months from the date the process begins to file a complete inventory of the estate's assets on Form 1686. The solution? Familiarize yourself with Virginia's probate laws, or better yet, consult a probate attorney. If the deceased owned property in multiple states, prepare for additional complexities with jurisdictional rules. Mistake three, poor communication with beneficiaries. Beneficiaries play a significant role in probate, and poor communication can lead to misunderstandings or disputes, even lawsuits. Solution: keep beneficiaries informed about the estate's progress. Discuss major decisions like selling property to ensure transparency and reduce conflict. Mistake four, selling property without proper authority. If the estate includes real estate, you may need to sell it to settle debts or distribute assets. However, selling without court approval or outside the terms of the will can lead to legal issues. The solution? Always consult with an attorney and obtain court approval if required. Ensure compliance with Virginia law to avoid invalidating the sale. Mistake number five, overlooking tax implications. Taxes are a crucial part of probate, and executors often underestimate their impact. While Virginia does not have an estate or inheritance tax, there are still federal and local tax considerations. Here are several key tax notes for executors. Federal estate taxes apply only if the estate exceeds $12.92 million in 2025. Income generated by the estate, such as rental income or home sale proceeds, may require filing IRS Form 1041. Capital gains taxes on real estate can often be reduced by the stepped-up basis rule, which adjusts the property's tax basis to its market value at the time of death. So, for example, if your parent purchased a home for $200,000 that was worth $650,000 at the time of their death, the new tax basis is $650,000, not $200,000, for purposes of the capital gains tax. If the house sells for $700,000, the heirs will owe capital gains taxes on $50,000, not $500,000. Property taxes must be settled up at the date of sale, and the estate is responsible for prorated taxes during the time they own the property. Executors can also deduct certain costs related to the home sale, like realtor fees, repairs, and closing costs, from the estate's taxable income. To do it right, particularly if the estate is large, you really need a team of experts that includes an estate planner, a probate attorney, and a tax professional. This approach can help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure every aspect of the estate is handled correctly. Probate doesn't have to be overwhelming. With proper planning, attention to detail, and professional guidance, you can avoid these common mistakes and settle the estate efficiently. If you're managing probate in Virginia and need assistance with real estate, taxes, or legal guidance, I'm here to help. I've built a team of trusted professionals in these and other fields who I am happy to recommend. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more expert real estate tips, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.